This video today, we're going to show you how to replace this screen washer in some of our products. This can really be used anywhere that our typical hose end washers are used. We've got these sort of manifolds, we've got timers, all sorts of things they can be used on. So if you had an old one that sort of got damaged, it was crushed, or there were some perforations that were too large and debris was getting in there, you may want to replace it. So the way to get the old one out is you really just need to sort of wiggle it with your finger, and usually it will come right out, and you can set that aside, throw it away. The new ones just sort of drop right in, but you need to make sure that you gently push them down around the edges. Don't push on the screen, because that being thin metal will bend and ultimately break. But usually they'll drop right in. They've got these little tabs that hold them in, and then you'd have like a hose faucet that you could screw on there and give it a test. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very quick process, but it can really increase the performance of any of our outlets. So if you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments, and we would be happy to help. Thanks.